Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to play variants in chess.com. If you want to play other modes of chess.com and you want to try out variants, it's actually quite simple. You need to be signed into your account, and once you are logged in, I want you to hover your mouse on the play option here on the left hand side, and this pop-up will appear, these options. You want to click on the variants option here, second to the last option, like so. There you go. Let's wait for it to load. There you go. So here you're going to see multiple options: four-player variants. You have four-player chess. You have spell chess, fog of war, atomic, Chaturaji, giveaway, Crazyhouse, duck chess, so on and so forth. There's a lot of options that you can actually choose, and you're going to actually see the amount of games that are playing currently. So right now there are 110 games as of this recording, and there's over 800 players that are playing. And just all you need to do is, again, you're going to see here the number of players that are playing. So you have an idea of if you're going to have a game faster or slower. Like as you can see here, duck chess, there's only 2 players. So if you opt to play duck chess, you probably need to wait for a bit because it's going to be 2 players and then you, right? All you need to do is click on furthers for chess, click play fair, agree, I acknowledge the rules, and that you are going to be in the game now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.